have an unboxing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've decided to return both of my Sony and my Blaupunkt earbuds because the battery time wasn't sufficient enough for me. I wanted to be on par with AirPods, but AirPods are ridiculously overpriced, as you guys know. And I don't like the stem. I don't like that look. Did a bunch of research, and there's a company called Sabbat, S-A-B-B-A-T. It's a legit high quality Asian company, and loads of YouTubers are reviewing now because they are on par, if not better than the AirPods for what you get for the price. Okay, so I'm unboxing my boyfriend's right now. Mine are coming in the mail. I ordered his before because I wanted him to have a nice pair of AirPods or wireless earbuds that were of high quality, and he does not have the time for anything. So I thought, I'll do the research. I will get them this. Amazing reviews. Boom. Here we are. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This is the color here with you. It's like blue and black. I ordered myself the pink version, of course. And we are going to open these. I wanted to see them myself before I handed them to him. So none of it is in English, but that's okay. And it actually comes in a really beautiful box. Super lovely box. I like the logo too, that like looks like an antler or something. A nice booklet. Ooh, look how fancy they are. They're gorgeous. Wow. So I like that they are kind of like the AirPod style, because I mean, I know the ones that stick in your ears, they kind of plug my ears though, you know, the rubbery ones where you have to like, you know, there's different sizes and things like that. I actually prefer these ones because I think you don't have to like worry about the little rubber things coming off. Really nice. Really, really nice. They're gorgeous. And here is the box, the charging box. It feels really high quality. It's beautiful actually. There we go. It's magnetic closure. And oops. Let's see how they look inside. Is it this one? Is it this way? Oh God. Oh, there we go. Oh, like magnetic, and you see the light just turned on to let me know they're charging. And then that light turned on as well. I don't know if you can see it. So the charging, oh my God, it's so nice. Really, really nice. They just feel so, this feels really high quality. These are around 100. I got them even cheaper because eBay. Amazing. They're really beautiful. I think he's gonna love them. I'm giving them to him tonight. I'm gonna charge these. And when I get mine, I will do a full review where we can test it out and things like that. And what is this? What on earth is this? Goodies. Oh, it's a carrying bag, and oh, okay, so they've got these like little silicone holders to kind of fit in your ear, to kind of, you can customize how they fit in your ear, and the charging cable for the charging case, for the case. Really nice. You guys can like Google and YouTube the actual earbuds and the sound quality, but I highly recommend them, even though I haven't, as long as you get a legit Sabbat AirPods. Okay, you can see the charging right here, the light, and where it's at. So there's two things lit. So I guess it's going to be full charge when there's full. So yeah. 6 to 8 hours battery life, you guys, and 30 hours with the case. So amazing. 6 to 8 hours playback and call time. Music playback and call time. I really do love these. They are beautiful. Keep watching for my update because I should be getting mine in the mail like this week. So yeah. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. These, my Sabbat wireless earbuds for the first time at the pool. The range is so large. Like I walked all around. It's like amazing. The quality never fettered. Does that even make sense? And here's the case. And so I realized, okay, so you put them in and it automatically starts playing your music. I'm sure there's a way for me to turn that feature off. But even if you accidentally like hang up on hang up on the person you're talking to, it will play music right after. Like, it's not bad. Phone call was excellent. He could hear me perfectly. I could hear him perfectly when Michael called. I was in the... I'm really amazed with them and I couldn't be happier. I think like total bargain for what you get. Anyways, to switch to the next song, you click the button on the right one twice. And to go back, you click the left one on the button twice. And either of them, left or right, you click it once to pause, like if you're talking to someone or whatever, and then you can use one or the other. So they both have equal function. Anyway, I just want to let you know these are fucking amazing. These are so amazing. I love them so much. So now they're charging right now. As you can see, the red light. They are charging.